you know, you don't have confidence until you practice confidence. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. Well, what happened then? Whoa.
Want one?
Ew. Nope. No, we don't want fun. Okay.
Mommy.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's elk over there. We get to zoom in. Yep, those are all elk. How cool. Okay, I'm driving on the highway.
Bye.
Look at this. It's beautiful. Show this. It's drizzling right now. Feels so nice though. I'm gonna watch my step here. I'm gonna sit down for a second. For a minute. I just find this so relaxing. Okay, I think I'm going to enjoy the water while I'm here. Do a little meditation. And then we'll go enjoy some food. Okay, bye. I wanted to do my nails. I have these little nails. Super cute. Very super cute with this top. I don't know. My hair is crazy. But we're just gonna enjoy the day. Like, I'm so tired of always trying to have the mindset of everything has to get done the way that I envisioned it the first time. But things change. That's life. So yeah, probably was not a good angle of me. But anyways, look at these cute little, I love them. But anyways, so I'm gonna do these, like I said. I'm gonna put these on, listen to some music, and actually, hold on, I've been waiting to try this darn drink. I saw this new drink that they were advertising of a pink drink with soft, cold foam. And I love matcha and I love the colors, although it looks a little weird right now after settling. But I thought the matcha would go really good with strawberry. Well, we'll see. Well, let's try it. Cheers. Ooh. Hold on. Okay, matcha's good. The combination, I really like how fruity it is. This is really good. I love coffee. So it's always hard for me to choose like their refreshers or tea or anything else like besides coffee, because I just love their white chocolate. You can't get that at home, so I always opt out for their coffee. But you know, I realize I'm looking at myself, thinking I'm talking to someone and I'm talking to myself. Really, that's all that I'm ever doing though. Unless you comment, you could talk to me. But what the heck was I even saying? Okay, my brain. You really get to see how my brain works. I don't know. I have barely learned like how to properly apply eyeshadow. I don't even know. I'm learning. Rewind. I'm learning. Hopefully I like this after. Sometimes things look way different in person than they do on the phone. And I think I'm gonna connect you guys to this tripod. Okay, it's on. And I think we can go for a different angle because the steering wheel is in the way. And I don't know. Let's try it out. We figured it out. Perfect. Okay. And let's see. Uh-oh, did we disconnect? No, I don't think we did. My car's messy, so hopefully I'm not showing all that off. If you have kids, I'm sure you know. And if you don't, then you don't. There's a lot of things as a parent that I didn't realize. Phone unbalanced and may vibrate when shooting. So then how do we take off this? Let's go back a bit. Whee! But yeah, I didn't get to do my nails because I don't have scissors for the glue. But it was really nice to like just chillax, and honestly I'm not sure if doing my lashes and fixing up my makeup like really mattered, but I enjoy doing it and I think that's what matters. So we're gonna have some curry. I made some curry today.
Mommy.
And this is my view on the other side. Nice comfort meal. I love curry. If you know me, you know that I love Japanese curry. I just love curry. And today I made Japanese curry. Okay, I forgot the sriracha. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of this. I brought the whole bottle. So it's been a minute since I've made a video. Well, I've made videos, but honestly, I just lack the confidence to post them sometimes because I get in my head. I can't hold it. I really gotta go pee. Oh jeez. I'm gonna throw my sweater on and go pee. Taking another walk through the woods. They didn't used to have a restroom here, so I am so grateful that they do now, because that was such a relief. We're gonna see the water again. Yay! So, if you guys don't know, I have been learning herbalism. Well, self-taught. Been trying to, just learn. I hope to get to a point one day where I can see a plant and just know exactly what it is. One day, when I'm really old, probably. One step at a time. Okay, so I just turned this corner. I'm gonna show you guys right now. But from this angle, it looked like my car was not there anymore. You don't know what that feeling was for me. Okay, so I'm coming from this angle, right? My car is not there. Oh my god, that scared the heck out of me. How scary or crazy would that be? Letting my mind get the best of me. Okay, I'm back. I was a little worried I might see an animal. I was actually really worried while going to the bathroom because they just have a hole into the ground. However they do it. But it's pitch black down the toilet. And I didn't want a freaking animal to come up and bite my ass or anything. Like, ouch, that would freaking hurt. And god, this is such a relief, but I'm also scared. Oh yeah. So, wait, I forgot to show you the front. It's called Totally Tiny. I got it from the Dollar Tree. I saw this little thingy, and it's like a little surprise food. My husband is calling me. Bye. I really hope for the churro or the macaroons. Let's see. I'll let you see first. Wherever the camera is. Okay. Oh, I got the little sugar cookie and the macaroons. How cute. Oh. Okay. This is fun. These are cute. I like doing these little surprise gift thingies. I realized I started this video and I didn't ask how you guys are doing. Cool. Oh no! I'll get it. I believe I can. Oh no. Let me focus. Oh jeez. No. Let me look while I'm doing it. Okay, I can no longer see it. Oh. 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 Okay, hold on. Okay, I got him. Oh, yay! These are cute. Oh my god, they're a little squishy too. These are so cute. I know I bought another little pack, so I'll have to find that. It'll come up eventually. I just hope I didn't accidentally throw it away, because I feel like I could have thought it was a receipt or something. But anyways, I'm curious to know how you guys are doing. Whoa. Jeez. Okay. Oh, I'm not that hungry, so I'm not gonna continue eating. But I am really enjoying this drink. Life has been okay. Not bad. You know, learning every day. Life could end at any minute. And I think it is so foolish of myself to think that I have another day to do the things that I want to do or become the person I want to be. Like, those are all things I have to do now and put that into practice. I had recorded some videos, and if I'm honest, sometimes when I'm in front of the camera, it almost feels like I have to entertain. And I'm really not that kind of person. But I don't think that should stop me from making videos that I want to make. Like, if I'm enjoying making this video right now, like, it has felt completely authentic and different than like how I recorded other videos. And not to say that I shouldn't accept that process of this growth, but maybe those videos were just for me to see that that's not what I'm trying to do. I don't know. But I realized after having kids how important it is to believe in my own dreams and to believe, and for anybody to believe in their dreams. And I'm so grateful because my parents were able to babysit this evening so I could celebrate the holiday. But yeah, happy 420, guys. And sometimes I want to share my journey with Miss Mary Jane and her lessons. I believe that it has helped encourage the person that I am today. Oh, there's so many cars. I get really bad anxiety. Sorry, guys. I need a moment. It's okay. Like, there's no big deal at what I'm doing. I don't know why I get self-conscious. I'm just enjoying having a conversation with you guys. But yeah, today I'm super grateful because my parents were able to babysit and everything just worked out so nicely. I didn't know where I was gonna go, I didn't know what I was gonna do, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna do this video, but I'm really glad I did. And it didn't feel like I was entertaining, and I enjoy learning how to become a better version of myself. I personally believe that I am a spiritual being living a human experience. And with that, I understand that not every day is going to be a great day, and you're going to have really trying moments, and it's going to feel like sometimes you can't get through it. But I also recognize that there are times that are going to be so great, and most people don't appreciate it until it's gone. So if I die or whatever happens, like, I hope that when I'm older I get to watch these videos and I'm gonna cry. Excuse me. I want to get my thought out, so I'm not gonna cry. But I know crying is important. Well, if okay, I recognize that there's also great days, and there's days when you can push yourself a little harder. And with how I feel in the other videos, that it felt like I was entertaining, like I'm still learning how to be in front of the camera, because for so long I've like quiet my personality. I've like quiet my personality down. Sometimes I don't even know my personality, but that's life. And if I'm honest, I feel like I might be in like the teenager healing version of my life. But I want to be able to share those moments when I'm older and look back and see that I enjoyed my life. Like, I don't want there to be a regret of, I don't know. I mean, I can look a year from now on and be like, I wish I didn't do that, or I wish I didn't like let that fear stop me. And I guess I'll learn that along the way too, what I can push myself to do and feel safe to do. Why am I moving so much? I guess I'm not comfortable. I sometimes get sad because when healing, I sometimes wonder why my parents did the things that they did, or things worked out the way that it did. As a parent, you then realize a whole lot of things, and you realize that each generation is going to heal from something new. And excuse me, and that allows for grace for each generation, because I hope that my children and my grandchildren and whatever generations after will have the same forgiveness and learn to heal from whatever we pass down. So with Mrs. Mary Jane, I think of how much I was so afraid to try it. I'm making it sound like it's this huge thing, but it's frustrating how taboo this topic can be. There was a lot of drug use in my family and alcohol abuse. Everybody goes through their things and everybody's healing, and I understand that now as an adult and as a parent now, that everybody, you know, has their own trials and healing that they need to do. I realize that everybody's gonna learn their own lesson at their own time. You know, you don't have confidence until you practice confidence. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. Hopefully I made any sense through this video. I'm sorry, my thoughts can just be all over the place. I do hope that your day is going well and everything in your life is going well. I really, really, truly do. And if not, I'm sorry. And I hope things get better soon. And yeah, I always felt that, and I still feel this way. Most people will ask you, hey, how are you? And then keep going on with the conversation, or keep on with what they wanted to ask you for. Like, most cases, people just throw, how are you? I personally feel too easily. If we genuinely care, then we'll take that time to listen. So, yeah. Well, I may end the video now. And I hope that I was able to get something from this video. Because as I experience life, I want to be able to capture the moments that, like, I don't know. I want to experience life, and as I'm experiencing this life on Earth as a human being, I find it so joyful to create. Like, I created a human being. I birthed a human being. I create videos. Like, creating is fun. And that's what I'm here to do on this earth. So, I'm not here to entertain. Although I may change. I don't know. Entertainment could be fun for me one day. But I'm just experiencing life and just doing like a digital diary. I love to write in my actual diary. I love to journal, but it's also really fun to capture, because as humans, we love aesthetically pleasing things. And sometimes we can have an eye for, like, ooh, that would look nice if we did it this way, or whatever. Like, that's just what we should be doing in life. Like, I don't know. I think that's what I'm here on this earth to do, is to inspire you. Is to inspire you to experience life. And we can experience life together. Travel, eat delicious food. Also, that's another reason why it's been a little hard for me to share a video, is because my relationship with food has been evolving. I have understood how important it is, or how important it should be, to take care of my body. And there were some things I noticed that in my diet and in my life, spiritually, emotionally, physically, that I just need to work on. And so, yeah, it's been hard for me to do that. So, why has that made me hard? What? Why has that made it hard for me to record? I am not sure if I enjoy eating meat. I am just not sure if I enjoy eating meat or animal products. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm learning from medical medium Anthony Williams. I could be wrong about his name, I'm sorry. But medical medium, and just acknowledging that the way that we eat, especially as America, is not the greatest. Maybe we'll get into that another time. But yeah. Did you know that the refreshers are actually concentrated green coffee bean before it's roasted? If you never knew. I only know that because I worked for Starbucks before, but I never knew that before. I always thought it was a juice. But in the vlog video, I think I'm gonna end the video here. So yeah, hope you're doing well, and take care, guys. You only live once. Happy 420. One more drink before we go. Yum, I got a strawberry. That texture is kind of weird though. I liked it at first. Excuse me. Oh jeez. Okay, real quick. Does anybody else lick it? Oh my god. You guys might think I'm weird, but oh well. And I want to be able to share the beauty in this life. So I want to improve on my skills, enjoy my life for what it is at the time it is, and yeah. Peace out, guys.